Hello, let's start by installing Ultima Online. This installer will execute just fine. I will show you how we can install the Ultima Online Demo from 1998 on Windows 10, the 64-bit version. I like to keep my games separate, thus I will install it in c:\games\ultima online. Just know that the installation is slower in reality. If you watch the 32-bit version of this tutorial, then you will know that I mentioned that the installer requires NTVDM to be installed. This subsystem is not available on the 64-bit version of Windows. That's why the installer won't work as expected. In the 32-bit version of this tutorial, I also showed how to fix the access rights of the directory where we installed the game in. Let's do that now. We will take ownership of the directory. You can do this differently if you want. Then we will give system the full control. We also give the authenticated users read rights. And we give our current user modify rights. After doing that, we will edit the configuration file. We will open the configuration file with Notepad. And we will turn full screen off. Now that is done, we can go to the downloads folder and we will start the installation of Ultima Online Demo. It gives an error message, and the error message states that setup.lit cannot be found. Indeed, that file does not exist, but we can create it. If you use Google to search the error message, there are some results that tell you how to fix the setup.lit file. Let's do that now. I still have to fix the extension because it reads text document and not lit file. Let's quickly do that. And let's restart the setup. Okay, nothing seems to happen. It seems that the installation hangs. Let's take a copy of the directory and then we will do it manually. For this we will download a third-party tool. The tool is called UniExtract. We will actually use the newer version, UniExtract 2. So let's go to the GitHub page and download the binary. Okay. I will install UniExtract now. I will copy paste it to my temp directory. Again, this copying has been sped up. It's actually very slow. I will clean the directory. So it seems that something is open. Oh, Firefox still has it open. Let's close Firefox. And then I can correctly clean my directory. A clean temp folder is always nice to have. Let's go to UniExtract and run it. The interface, I don't really like it, but yeah, what can we do? Okay, we choose the directory where our setup is. So we go to temp and we go to the demo installer folder, and we will take the data cap or data1.cap, and we will extract to Ultima Online Demo files, also in the temp directory. Let's go there. And we see we have the two files. Now, if you have the original Ultima Online installer, it will have created an empty demo folder. Let's go to there. Okay, demo, and we will paste those files. Let's run the demo now. Perfect, this seems to work. That's it. And we will create a shortcut on the desktop. We will test the shortcut and we will rename it. UODemo, let's call it UODemo. That's it. Thank you for listening.